You're already further. Marketing is not the future, AI is. If you're still not using it properly, you're already way behind. AI does in minutes what used to take people hours just a few years ago, like analyzing data, creating content, drawing conclusions, segmenting customers, and in email marketing, segmenting data from millions, even billions, and chatbots. Let me give you some examples where I'll show you how you can integrate AI into your work. Number one is content planning and execution. If I were making this kind of video 4 or 5 years ago, I would have had to do a lot of research and write the content myself. Now I know exactly what kind of content I need to create, and by using AI, I can write really good content myself and also create it efficiently. Number two is customer service. If you look back many years ago, to create a chatbot, we had to tell developers, and even then the chatbot couldn't answer perfectly. But now chatbots can respond very well and instantly to visitors, which helps customers comment on products, and they can even track their orders, showing content to each customer or user according to their preferences. And then at number 4, determining which lead will buy and which content could go viral. Creative ads creation. There's really no need for me to even talk about this. I've already told you how people are using GPT-4 to create unique ads, and now they don't even need to hire anyone for it, or to hire a media team or a production house. So this is the thing. Learn to use the market very effectively, because if you don't use AI, those in the market who are using it will end up replacing you.